Kushu, welcome back to my channel. I know I look stupid, but hey, reality. So I made a new video which is basically 3-4 months delayed, like literally. This was one of the Goa trips kind of a video. So it is basically how you can pack stuff for anybody who really wants to go out there in a vacation and actually shoot some good pictures and not look like a potato in a vacation. So not look like a potato in the vacation, being a little fashionable and not really missing out on any piece from the ensemble. So there are like so many tips in this video, and yeah, this is how I pack and this is how you should pack as well. So yep, without any further ado, let's begin the video. So first things first, you need a huge bag or any size depending on length of your vacation and changes. First, essentials: jeans, basic tops and everything in pairs. So a day before I pack or on the day, I generally wear everything I want to take and see if there is any fitting issue or damages and take picture of the whole look. This will spare me some time. While I get ready, I can just see the picture and wear the outfits without missing any piece. I do this even for accessories. So I pack all the outfits first and this is how I put them in place. Pro tip number 1, clothes that get creases easily, I iron them first and place a paper or some cardboard and fold it properly so that they won't get creased as much as they normally do. So here's my dad showing you all how to do a paper ironing and fold it properly. And then I pack all my hosiery in the net pouch of the case. Then comes personal care. I keep all the things in pouches for me to get easy access and keep things related to each other also in the same spot. So here's my pouch of my hair care products and my straightener, my skincare pouch, my makeup pouch, and finally my jewelry box. So these are the jewelry which I styled before day with the outfits I'm taking along. Then more accessories like scarves and headbands. Oh, that's my hair towel, I literally forgot about it. Pro tip number 2, put all your hair ties, bobby pins in a mint pouch or any pouch with closing lid so that you can reach out to them easily. Then some sunglasses. Here I was going to vlog, so all the cables, chargers in one pouch. Now comes some nightwear basics. People generally forget about these. After a long day of sports and adventures in your vacation, you need comfortable clothes to slip in and get some comfy sleep to get energized for the next day. So those. Then some footwear. So I took this plastic which was lying around my house and put my footwear in it. Then some different bags for different outfits. Finally, hats, my favorite. Especially if it's a beach vacation, carry a hat. So this is my main luggage. Then I also carry a backpack to fit in essentials like sanitizer, wallet, glasses, mini tripod, my camera, power bank, earphones, my watch, a lip balm, my toothbrush and some medicines just in case. So this is how I pack for any trip, not just vacation, and this helps me not miss anything I carry to go on waste. There are times where I carry 10 pieces and end up wearing just 3, repeated them forever. So this might help you guys too. I hope it does. If you think I missed out on anything, let me know in the comment section below. And if you like this video, you know what to do. Like, share, subscribe and all that good stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye!
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.